Yo, what is going on, everybody? This is your best friend Colo, here to bring you another shoe video. Now, I do not condone. Wait a minute. First off, let me say my energy is a little off today. It's not you guys. It's not the gifter that sent me the shoe. I love the shoe. I'm just a little off today. I think I'm needing that vacation. But anyway, let's get the video done. Much love. Don't condone all that good stuff. Fake shoes, whatever. So we got the Jordan 12 today, and with the Jordan 12, this is one of those shoes that came out when I was in high school, and it's the last shoe that Nike made under Nike. After that, the 13 became the first Jordan that was under Jordan brand. And I didn't really like the 12 in the beginning because it came right after the 11, and it was hard to top the 11, but it eventually did because the performance inside the shoe was dope. It's got a full length, what are those things called? Full length zoom. So it kind of felt like the Reebok DMX, if you know what that is, all my old heads. Like this really cushy, transferable type of waterbed type of feeling in your shoes. And it was really dope. Eventually the airbags do lose that feeling, but it was dope. And the taxis with the first pair, I had pretty much all the colors through trade, and it was just a good shoe. I love it. Like, I think the 11, 12, 13, and 14 were like a golden spot for Jordan as far as the looks and the tech. But anyway, if you look at the shoe, you can see it's purple, it's black, like kind of purple metallic, I guess, if you want to call it that. I'm not really sure, but it looks good. It's kind of very, I don't know what, Gary Payton like, Kobe like, Lakers like. You could probably pull these off with like the freaking Bucks or something like that. I don't know. But it's a beautiful shoe. The quality was really good. I actually can't complain. And I like this 12. I pulled out my Master 12s. You won't see them in this video. I pulled out some other 12s. I pulled out some Master 12s. And I actually like this pair of my Master 12s. So I got to get rid of my Master 12s now. They're 9.5 anyway, and they're retail. So hit me up. So this is one of my really favorite pairs. Like really, really favorite. The Gammas. And I got these when the Gamma 11s came out. Check Nelman's video for this, but these are sweet. I only pulled them out because the upper is very similar. It's not as ashy, and it's not really transferring type of suede, but again, I just wanted to kind of compare. Like, this is really, really ashy looking. Don't know if it's the, OG materials. Doesn't really matter. I like the red Jumpman on those. The tongues look totally different. I just noticed that. That Gamma might be the best colorway ever. Now, here's a pair that came out twice. You had to get them on Jumpman.com back in the day with a sweater. Then they released them again, and I don't know, maybe 2014, something. I can't remember. Somebody let me know. But look at the suede on these. It's a little closer. It's transferring, or it's moving. Now, the back tabs definitely look different. I don't know if it's wrong. It could just be updated. The bottoms look very, very similar. One's kind of bluish, and the other one is a little bluish. Okay, got the Jumpman there. That's a very nice touch. Let's look at the other shoe, and I've seen these kind of off. Like my black and yellows, that pink to that black part was kind of off. And the leather looks almost like reptilian. Oh, look at those two toe boxes right there. I'm going to spray these with some mink oil here in a minute. But look at the letters. The letters look fine on both shoes. I really don't care. It looks great. But I do think oh, wait a minute. The black light is going to save you guys some time. I didn't find anything under the black light. Okay. So I kind of brushed them with a suede brush to see what would happen if they'd move. It did a little bit. But I sprayed mink oil on it away from the board this time, because last time I sprayed it directly on my little whiteboard. Kind of ruined it. So that's what it looks like with mink oil. One to the right has mink oil. The other one to the left doesn't. But that's it. On feet time, guys.
Homage got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Back with another video. What else? I'm gonna go back to a mural I usually go to, because to be honest, I'm kind of displaced. Like, when I lost my spot, I made a lot of good videos at that spot, and I really miss it because that was like the go-to spot. It was close. Now I kind of got to get back out here, and some days you just don't feel like really leaving close from home just to make a video, but I guess that's part of it. So I'm gonna go out here. I already got the shoes on, yeah. I love the shoes. The shoes are beautiful shoes. I was actually very surprised. And I'll try to, I don't know. I'm not sure if I'll try to get a retail when they come out, but I really do like the shoes. So shout out to you guys who gifted me the sneaker. To be quite honest with you, I don't know why I'm in the car. I don't know, maybe today I'm just kind of feeling like, I don't know. All right, guys, let me stop. Let me just get on with it. So there's actually people out here doing what I'm doing. I think they're just taking pictures, though. I'm not sure if they have sneakers or Jordans on deck. Maybe. Other content creators. Interesting. All right, I got to get up out of here, guys. Don't ever put your camera on that thing like I did. It's a bad idea. I'm telling you, I'm thinking about hiring an assistant, I swear. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm out here, one of my favorite murals. Never fails me, so I'm just going to wrap it up, guys. Peace, love, and light. Follow me on IG. Love you guys. Yeah, one. So now there's like no sun out right now. I have the camera turned up on the highest ISO setting. I still need a new camera. Oh, I'm using my big camera again. I used the big camera, not the G7X. I was gonna use the G7X in conjunction with this, but I just forgot, so it is what it is. Stay away from fast food. Stay away from fast food if you can. Don't try it at home. I appreciate everything, guys. I do. I appreciate everything.